Alright guys, I'm opening up my box for the drone that I bought for my birthday. And here's everything that comes with it. Big old styrofoam thing. Check it out. Looks awesome. What is this? Alright, well, it looks like we have this, an accessory box, which I am having a hard time opening. So I'm going to set it over there. Don't mind the mess, guys. This here's the battery, it looks like. God damn, this battery weighs more than me. Alright, so we got the battery. Got an accessory box. What is this? Probably software. Or a letter telling them, thank you for giving us all your money. Documents. Probably owner's manual. Things you have to do so you don't get arrested. Holy smokes, guys. This is tight. Look at the big ass control. Oh, I am going to cause some trouble with this. I have no idea how any of this is going to work. But I'm going to document it so I can show you guys what's going on. Alright, so we got that. What else do we have in here? Alright. Put this over here. Alright. This looks like my charger for my battery. Huh. Wonder if I can USB charge it. Let's see. No, I can't. Alright. We'll set that over here. Hold on a second, guys, while I get this out. Oops. Alright, I am not going any awards for my camera handling here, huh? More stuff. Probably the propellers. Alright, now let's see if I can get this out. I'm going to hit stop while I fight with this.